Unlocking Legal Power, Strategies for Private Sovereignty. This document explores the intersection of public and private legal systems, focusing on how individuals can reclaim their autonomy and navigate a world governed by complex legal frameworks. By addressing key issues such as counterfeit institutions, equity courts, and revoking public obligations, this guide provides actionable insights for asserting legal sovereignty and financial independence. Below are educational interpretations of critical topics with clarity and depth. Understanding the role of civil versus public legal capacities. Civil and public legal capacities are foundational to understanding autonomy within legal systems. Civil capacity allows individuals to assert private rights, while public capacity binds them to statutory obligations. To regain civil authority, individuals must address contracts that impose public obligations, such as driver's licenses and social security numbers. These obligations can often be replaced by mechanisms like estate INs and private mail bank numbers to maintain autonomy. Counterfeit institutions and fraudulent contracts. Modern legal systems frequently operate through entities that misrepresent their jurisdiction, particularly in cases involving equity. Counterfeit institutions rely on contracts that may lack validity under scrutiny. Understanding how to identify and challenge these contracts is critical. Tools like affidavits and equity claims can dismantle fraudulent practices. The 11th Amendment further establishes individuals' rights to control equity courts, preventing misuse by public entities. The importance of equity and fiduciary roles. Equity courts represent fairness and justice, distinct from criminal or statutory courts. Becoming a fiduciary, such as a civil curator, grants individuals control over their estate and liabilities. For example, an IRS Form 56 can establish fiduciary authority, enabling the management of debts and assets privately. This role shields individuals from public claims and ensures private settlement of liabilities. Leveraging IRS filings for legal and financial independence. Proper handling of IRS filings like 1099 OID, 1099-C, and 1041 forms is essential for asserting legal autonomy. These forms facilitate the management of financial transactions and reclaim funds. Submit these documents to designated private IRS offices. Mishandling by public offices can result in delays or penalties. Knowledge of private versus public IRS operations ensures successful processing. Revoking public contracts and reclaiming private sovereignty. Contracts like social security numbers and licenses impose obligations that can be strategically revoked. This process includes purging prior pledges and affirmations made under fraudulent pretenses. Affidavits play a key role in revocation. Coupled with supporting documents, such as original birth records or Bible entries, affidavits assert private claims and remove individuals from public jurisdiction. Navigating equity-based financial tools. Private banking systems empower individuals by keeping transactions within their jurisdiction. Establishing a private mail bank, PMB, number tied to an IN ensures secure and private financial operations. PMB numbers, often structured as a zip code plus 4 digits, symbolize autonomy in financial transactions. They function as routing numbers within the private domain. Educational insights on pledges and oaths. The concept of pledges and oaths extends beyond ceremonial actions, influencing contractual obligations. Misunderstanding these implications can result in unintentional submission to public systems. For instance, the Pledge of Allegiance can symbolize an equity transfer to a public corporation. Revoking such pledges through affidavits ensures restoration of personal autonomy and equity. Final remarks on sovereignty and autonomy. Achieving legal autonomy requires comprehensive knowledge and deliberate actions. By understanding and leveraging the tools outlined, individuals can navigate complex systems confidently. This guide highlights the principles necessary to assert private sovereignty and financial independence. Always ensure alignment with equity and justice in every action. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purposes only. This is not legal or financial advice. We offer this information as it is presented to us, we neither endorse nor discredit it. Make your own decision regarding the content. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel.